Did you catch, Corey?
A squirrel.
Really?
Yeah.
In the new trap that you got yesterday because you did very well with your teeth, huh?
Mhm.
So you came home from school today and it was inside the trap.
Yeah.
What are you going to do? And it's making noises.
You want an acorn?
Hear the noises? Yeah, so Corey's actually going to let the thing go.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
I'm keeping it.
I don't know what you think you're going to keep it for. These things are mean, dude.
No, I'll train it.
Nope, they're mean.
I'm gonna leave it out.
You're going to train it?
Yeah.
It's not how do you train your dragon.
I'm gonna train it.
No.
Yes, I am.
No.
Yes, I am. I'm keeping on the
Interesting. What are you going to feed it? Aw, here, little buddy.
I'm train acorns every day. I'm gonna train it. Then I'm gonna put it back in a cage and leave it out here. That's what I'm gonna do.
Oh, yeah?
But I'm not gonna bring it outside because
Oh, this thing is crazy, Corey.
I'm not bringing it inside, but I'm keeping it. Does it have
Like
rabies?
most of the females I've dated. Huh?
Let me see if it's a boy or girl. It's a boy.
Yeah, you don't know if it's a boy or a girl, but it's
Yeah.
really scared.
It would have balls.
You need to take it out of this little cage.
No, if I
Yeah, he's gonna have like brain damage from hitting his head. He's like running around here like a crazy thing, and he's hitting his head against the walls.
there's blood.
Aw, and it's like whimpering.
It's shaking. I'm keeping it as a pet. I'm gonna keep it.
Come here for a second. Let me get you in the... Come here. Hola. Beautiful, sunny, and Corey got a squirrel. Back to the squirrel. And I don't know how to edit this, so I'm sure it's going to be like all retarded and unfocused and whatever, but you're just going to have to deal with it. Oh, Corey, he's going to like eat you. Aw, he wants to be let out. Corey, you gotta let him go. That's not very nice of you. How would you like if somebody captured you and put you in a cage? Joseph.
It's a baby squirrel.
Okay, well, can you let the baby go?
No.
Okay. Say bye. Corey, say bye.
Bye.